Hello, in this video I will show you how to enable TalkBack on Samsung Galaxy A05S. So you have to start with opening your settings application and then scroll down and click on accessibility. Now click on TalkBack and now click here to enable TalkBack and then click allow.
TalkBack on.
Now your TalkBack
Allow
is allowed.
phone access.
And to
This helps TalkBack reduce announcements when you're on a call.
Now to navigate in TalkBack you have to use swipes and double taps on your screen.
Continue. Allow button. Talk on TalkBack.
And
Switch.
to disable TalkBack,
Double
simply
tap
navigate to
activate.
on position and then double tap
Off.
on your screen.
Tap TalkBack off.
So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.